a fast flying bird. Let's start making this. For making the fast bird, we require and glue, scissors, triangle paper, a small circle in the shape of coin, and 2 small rectangle papers and 1 big rectangle paper. Yay! Now take a triangle paper and keep it like this and cut this side. Now take that folded rectangle piece and stick the wings to the rectangle paper. Now take the circle piece and draw the eyes. Let's stick the head. Now our bird is ready. Now take the small rectangle pieces and stick it to the bird's wing in upward direction.